Hello students, this is the most important part of this chapter, so listen it very carefully. First important thing to remember, look at this sentence, this is in direct speech. This part of the sentence, this is introductory part and the verb present here is known as reporting verb. So says is a reporting verb here, right? And this is the second part of the sentence, right? So whenever, first of all, while converting the sentence into indirect speech, we will see this reporting verb. If this reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, like in this sentence, Mohan will say, so it is here in future tense. So if it is in present tense or future tense, then there will be no change in the tense of rest part of the sentence while converting it into a direct speech. Look at this sentence. The boy says, Vinay is leaving for the day. Now, while converting it into the indirect speech, the boy says, in place of comma, we will put that Vinay is leaving for the day. Inverted commas are removed. So you can see that here the verb is remains same. There is no change in this verb. So verb remains same if here the reporting verb is in present tense. Look at the second sentence. Mohan will say, I can't come. So Mohan will say that I will be converted into he. Looking at the subject of this reporting portion. So I will convert into he says that he cannot come. So you can see there here also there is no change in the verb. So if the reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, there will be no change in the tense of rest part of the sentence. Now the change comes when the introductory or the reporting verb is in past tense. Look at this sentence. Neha said. So said is a reporting verb and we know that said is a past form. So if it is in past form, then we have to change the tense of this sentence. Now how we will change this? Simple present tense will change into simple past tense. Simple present into simple past. Present continuous into past continuous. Present perfect into past perfect. Past simple past into past perfect. And past continuous will change into past perfect continuous tense. So we have to learn this, that present tense will change into past tense. Simple present to simple past. Present continuous to past continuous. Present perfect to past perfect. Simple past to past perfect, past continuous to past perfect. And if there is may or can in the sentence, then may will change into might and can will change into could.